Assalamualaikum everyone. This is the video how to create a virtual classroom on Classera using a Zoom link. So first of all you have to open it or log in into your Classera account. I already log in here in my account, and after that you can see that is dashboard. Okay, here you can go to the virtual classroom. If you can't see here, go here and click on next page, and here you can see the virtual classroom. Click on it. On that page you can choose a vendor. Please choose a vendor, Microsoft Team, and if you click here then you can see their external link like Zoom or Google Meet. I will choose it this one. Continue. Here you have to write your class name or title, whatever you have it. I have grade 7.2 last period. Zoom link, you can choose it from the Zoom. From here, for example, click here, then you can copy that link and paste it here. Passcode, whatever you have it, I have 12345. You can edit your passcode here. Select your class, start timing. I have this class at 12:30 p.m. Timing 45 minutes for your school. Submit. Now your virtual classroom has been added successfully. You can see here that is my class. On 17th of December, 45 minute external vendor, and when you want to start, click on it here. Then you have to start directly from here, or you can start it from Zoom link with that. Okay. So thank you very much.